And it was fantastic. Lenny drove the trains and his life with his wife. And, yes. No, those no. Now they say, Dr. Biter, don't eat the butter with the coffee, but you can cook with it. So I'm gonna take it to cook. No more with coffee. Yes. You don't like the butter? The butter is nice. Oh, heavens. Aye.
He has lots of money.
Yes, he married 23 ladies and 23.
No.
Can you do it, David?
I can, but I'm not doing it.
No? But, right. But a lot of people say on Facebook and stuff, they say they want to invest in the money.
That's not the sort of thing you should be doing.
Oh, in the coffee shop down there.
This is sandals.
Some walnuts.
What? Walnuts?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And no one takes it down the car show. It's here. And
Yes, they put the wheels and they have color walnuts.
yeah, that's what I'm getting.
Yes. Ooh, how much it cost? How much it cost for? I don't know. He's in the phone still. Yes, he's busy. He's busy. I know. He's still busy.
You stay over.
I see the car. I see the car. It says she's kissy. It's like no, £95 for that. What is this?
It's almost very
Yes, all right.
Oh.
New filter. All right. You currently need a new filter.
Yeah, my car is a new filter.
Okay. One of them. He was in the phone right now. So. Okay. Oh, Madonna. The suspension is £415. £195 for suspensions. Yes. Oh, Charlie. So good. Wow. Yes. I'm gonna go right now. I'm into it. 1 minute. Yes. Oh, how much is this? Wow, 250 pounds. Madonna. That's awesome. Wow, and chairs and tables and stuff. Yes, cool, man. All right. Okay, I'm gonna tell the dude.
Ah, come on.
Salt pipes. Yes. Oh, Madonna. With these pipes, that's... Whoa, so amazing. What's that, radiation water?
That's a filter. L filter.
Madonna, this is amazing.
That's the salt pipe rail
Salt pipes.
right here.
Yes.
Yes.
Wheels, tires.
Wheels and tires, so beautiful.
More wheels and tires.
Yes. So good.
Right arm, more tires.
Yes, beautiful tires.
Which one you want?
Oh, Madonna, look at this Ford VVS. Bravo, CS. And other tires. Wow. Beautiful tires.
Got the thing you put along the engine, you see the
Yes.
radiator
Oh, what's that? To put on the engine?
on the engine.
Yes? To go super fast then? Oh, Charlie.
Where's the BBS wheels?
This is the BBS wheels. £1,200 for this. For the 543 SKE 92. Wow. Whoa, that's amazing. BBS wheels.
I want
Yes.
that.
Aye.
What about our wheels?
Whoa, this is awesome.
How about our wheels?
Yes, that's amazing. Pera, give me touch these wheels.
It's heavy, big
Oh, yes, I see. Oh, wheels, nice. Beautiful wheels.
What about our wheels?
This is good wheels. Yes, indeed. Beautiful wheels.
That's got,
Wow,
that's got
£650 for that ring.
Look, our
Yes.
wheels right here.
Yes.
They're on the Honda.
Honda. Wow. Heavens. Nice.
Go get one of my favorite guys. Go get him.
Oh, I don't know. Your favorite wheels? Oh, this is the amortigual chores. This is the what is this? What is called this thing? Suspensions. This is amazing. Wow, do you want me to?
The lights on the top,
Yes?
the grey one, that's the distant skyline.
Yes, this one, Mitsubishi Skyline.
One on the top.
Here?
No.
Oh,
the
this
grey
one, this
that's
one.
The skyline.
That's the Skyline.
Yeah, listen.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, Madonna.
It's not a Subaru.
Yes.
It's a skyline.
Yes, I see it's a Subaru.
You can GR.
GR. Oh, this is cool. Yes, Mitsubishi Evo.
Go ask one of my mates. William finished the phone.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ask him.
Ah, nice doggies. I want to sleep today. Beautiful doggies. Aha, hello. No, there's a phone. What's happening, mate? Hello. Hello, handsome. Hello, beautiful. Oh. Smile. Hello. You're amazing. Yes. True indeed. True.
What you got, Jenny?
Yes.
That's good. In the holiday camp. My friend coming over.